Hello everyone, first we are going to divide our hair into two from the top and then making two braids at each side. Then at the back we're going to make ponytails joined with the braids like this and adding these beautiful rubber bands. And now further taking the remaining hair at both of the sides and making these braids and then taking little amount of hair and folding them to the opposite. Next, we're going to take two ponytails joined with the braids. Then we're going to take the ponies, dividing them into two parts and twisting them together into the simple round shape bun. Now you can add any kind of rubber bands as per your choice, and you can see your hairstyle is completed. Next, we're going to take two ponytails, one at each side, and then we're going to fold it like this into a round shape bun with the help of this tool. Now we are going to apply a rubber band for securing it. You can use any kind of accessories as per your choice. Next, we're going to section our hair into two. Then we are going to take some hair from one side, adding a rubber band and then folding it once. Then we're going to repeat the same step once again like this. After it's ready, we are going to take all of the hair, dividing it into three and then start making a simple braid. After the braid is ready, we are going to secure this with a rubber band and then just repeat the same process with the other side as well. Now adding any clip of your choice. Next, we are going to section our hair into four ponytails, two at each side, then taking the side ones and then folding them once. After that, we are going to section them into two and then joining one strand at the back with the help of a rubber band. Further folding it and then making it a braid like this and then joining the braid with the hair at the bottom like this. Then we're going to complete the braid and now we're going to keep it as it is. You can add any kind of clutches or accessories as per your choice and it looks so good. Next, we're going to take a high ponytail and then we are taking these elastic rubber band to wrap it all over that. Then we are going to divide it into two parts, taking the first one and then adding a rubber band on it. Then we're going to make a space in the middle and then passing the second part from it like this. Then we're going to repeat the same process again and again till your beautiful braid is ready. We're going to add a final rubber band for securing this and now you can see it is completed. You can add any kind of clutches as per your choice. Next, we are going to grab one side hair. Then we are going to start making a braid by taking little amount of hair from both of the sides one by one and then keep on adding enough braid to complete it. When your braid is ready, just repeat the same process with the other side as well. After that, we are going to grab all of the hair from one side, then converting it all into a braid, further adding a rubber band for securing the braid. Next, we are going to take some hair from one side, adding a rubber band. Then again, we are going to use variety of rubber bands to complete this and converting it into a braid. Repeating the same process with the other side as well and you are good to go with your hairstyle.